So what's up, you lovely bunch? You join me on a very blustery day up north, but not cold, actually quite warm. And I have just been filming our latest competition car, which you can just see over my shoulder. She's called Ruby. She is a 998 supercharged Mini. And oh my God, I've never, ever driven a car or a 998 like this. There she is. Shall we show you around? So let's take a closer look at this limited edition 1989 Mini 30 anniversary edition with, as the aforementioned, supercharger. This colour is cherry red. It was a limited edition colour just for these cars. They also did them in black and they are super rare. Obviously this one is modified. White roof, matching arches, 12-inch superlight alloys. Have to excuse all the camera gear. A very cool wooden steering wheel and matching dash. And let's be honest, the reason why you lot are all tuning in. By the way, these wind deflectors are cool as hell. Just look. Just look. Just look at that. Oh, 998 supercharger. And honestly, I can't even describe to you how pokey this car is. Made 65 brake on a recent rolling road tune-up. Lots of nice little choice chrome accessories. Obviously the spotlights. And see if we can do this one-handed. Ta-da! And the supercharger even matches the colour of the car. Look at that DCOE 40 Weber and air filter as well. Obviously all uprated hoses. It's got an electric extra cooling fan on top of the Fletcher radiator. Updated ignition, all the piping you can see. Updated HT leads. Bear me 2 seconds. And I shall get my hands clear. But yeah, as already mentioned, 65 brake horsepower on a recent rolling road tune, which for one of these is pretty damn epic. I would say there's probably more in it, in fairness, as well. Obviously, if you had the engine out and rebuilt the block with different cam and so on and so forth, you can get 100 brake out of these, but then you have questions with reliability, which Minis are unreliable enough. Let me just bring you into the cockpit. I'll tell you what I'll do, because on iPhones now, oh, just put the steering lock on. Let's start her up. By the way, this is cool. I've just spotted it. So it's got boost control. Let's just level them up. Watch this. Yes! Now that is cool. Obviously oil pressure. And boost. So obviously a few extra modern bits, USB, all the correct clocks, rev counter, so on and so forth. Shout out to Oso Retro. Is that a vintage one, boys? I think it might say 2014. Yeah, is that a vintage one, boys? Have to get in the comments and let me know. Obviously, sunroof version, completely standard interior. It has got speakers and a head unit. These seats are nice, obviously 1959 to 1989 being the 30th anniversary of the Mini. Alloy door furniture. That's the cooling fan that I was mentioning to you. But as you can see, I have been having some fun, shall we say, and I'm about to take you guys along with me. I will just hop out. I will just hop out and show you the rear end. And zoom back into normal camera. Just look at this thing. Listen to it ticking over. Custom fuel cap. Covered in mud. Pretty cool thing in itself. You have to excuse my shopping because I have been to have it washed. Some cool stickers of where it's been. Where has it been? Colchester to Yarmouth. Colchester to Yarmouth. London to Brighton. 2017, 2019. I feel like it's probably been 2018 as well, and there should be a sticker there. Ellen Valley. Some cool, more so retro. Shouting out to the boys. Yeah, I won't move my shopping, but this thing is absolutely perfect. It's got its original glass. Has had some mega money, and when I say Rog had a good service history, this thing has got pretty much everything it's ever had done to it. The most recent owner spent about $6 on it, so it's got all new underneath, basically. New suspension, new brakes, new discs, uprated, four pot calipers. There we go. You can see all the lights are upgraded. Obviously, I've not actually tried the oh, I'm just about to get run over. But just listen to the little whine on turnover. Tick over, sorry. So yeah, why don't we hop in? I'll take you for a spin and I'll show you how good this is. Just to remind you guys, this can be won with UK Minis, www.ukminis.co.uk. We've given away 24 minis now, plus a load of Swift Tune engines, a load of cash, a load of parts, loads of other stuff. This one is great odds, only a maximum of 1,000 tickets, and the opening offer is live for 72 hours only, which by the time this goes out will be 24 hours of £17.50. Will you be our 25th Classic Mini winner? Just look at it. Just look at her. Meet Ruby. Right, enough of all the Ponzi stuff. Let's get in it and let's show you what it's capable of. 998 Supercharged Ruby. What a car! Bloody hell! I've never driven a 998 like this before. Oh, listen to the torque, feel it! God, I wish we had. Wow! What a car! It's mine there. Pothole, so a pothole is a mini grave. By a second gear pull. What a car! Oh my god, what a car. What an absolute weapon. You join me back at home. I'm a little bit windswept, but god, words fail me. I don't really know what to say. You've seen the footage. what a mini. You know, we give away some insane cars, but yeah, this 998 is the best I've ever driven. Goes like a rocket, looks immense. Yeah, go get involved, guys. Hit the link on the screen, obviously. It'll be in the pinned comments on YouTube. And yeah, www.ukminis.co.uk. This one, Ruby, is a guaranteed draw on Sunday the 6th of March. And like I said, the opening offer will end at midnight on, I think it's the 22nd today, so it'll be today. So yeah, go get involved if you want to win something that's worth in excess of, what, £15,000. So yeah, hit the link. Thanks very much for all your support. And, well, to be honest, I'm going for a longer drive. See you later.